in the blue corner, I'm going to go in with a free pay-per-click audit from a company called Nozzle. So this is for people that are on Amazon. As we know, Amazon is not the same as e-commerce. There's a whole bunch of different tools, software, everything to help you manage it better. I would thoroughly recommend that everybody go check out Rail Klein's company, Nozzle. They're offering a free pay-per-click audit with, if you put in an email, and this is one of my clients. I love the metric. You wasted 800 quid of ad spend over the past 60 days. I hasten to add, this was not me that ran the ads beforehand. And it really gives you a number to go, ouch, where did I spend the money? What campaigns didn't convert? Maybe a lot of you are really used to Google AdWords, where you get this served up for you quite easily. Amazon is not the same. They're not giving you that data. There are a lot of third-party software houses making this easy for you. And a pay-per-click audit should be the first step for everybody to see where are they missing the trick. And it's just all you need to sign up with the email.